What's up, guys? So I'm finally trying to be back with another video. I'm sorry I've been lagging. There hasn't been nothing to record. I know this still isn't gonna be all that exciting, but it's something. We went to a car meet the other day actually, and I was trying to record and post. Maybe I'll insert a little bit of clip or something just to get some of that in here, but it wasn't worth a video of its own, you know? But what we're going to be doing today is working on this a little bit. I actually just got back from Deals on Wheels. They put new tires on the front. Well, let me start. The back tires were wearing out because the toe in the back, these are notorious for that. The toe in the back's messed up and it started wearing out the inside. The fronts were good, but the fronts were rubbing on the fender. So the fronts, we put them to the back, and the back on new smaller tires a little bit and put them in the front. You can see it looks a little funny, so we are gonna go lower in the front. But shout out to them, you know, they got the alignment all squared away. You know, look how messed up that shit was. All damn near reds, you know. The only thing was the camber now, so shout out to them. But the important part of this video, we're gonna be putting a stereo in here finally. Cause you know, she ain't got no beat, no slap, nothing. And I got the little rear view camera. If I have time, I'm about to put that in. If not, that's gonna be another day. But yeah, I got the whole kit from, I believe it's Mobile Max Car Audio or something like that. They gave you the whole kit because these TLs are complicated when it comes to the stereo shit. I figured it out last time because I was trying to install this little other amplifier Bluetooth thing on here. I know it had power, but I had no sound. Turns out it's the way these are wired up, it's a pain in the ass. So you have to either modify your harness or do what I did. Just buy the harness that they already have plug and play pretty much. All I gotta do is wire in a couple wires, which I'm not really sure. The camera. So yeah, the camera. Other than that, plug and play. And I hate electrical shit. Hate dealing with it. So yeah, plug and play it is. So yeah, we're gonna start taking the stuff apart. And I'm gonna try to do the stereo first and then fuck, I don't know actually. Until I have to wire everything at the same time. I don't know, I'll see right now if I'm gonna do the camera or not. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the camera yet, but I'm gonna start off by taking this apart. I already had it apart last time, but let's do it again. All right, so first steps are taking these off. I couldn't find my little smaller one, so we're gonna see if this one works. Pretty much just gotta pry up in here, but you see this one's hella big. So let's see if I can find a smaller one or make this work. All right, so this one's actually working. You just gotta get under, just be careful. You know, just work your way all the way to the top. I'm not gonna record the whole thing because I ain't trying to break nothing. All right, so I got them off. These are the little clips you gotta be careful with. You know, they go all in here. From here, I believe we start taking off these little screws. I'm not sure exactly which one's gotta come off, so I'm gonna start taking them off. All right, so got all these screws off. This side too. There's two in here. This, I believe, should, oh shit. Something like, see, moves back. There you go. Just like that. I think you have to unplug these two right here. This just goes down. Twist and shift knob off. All right, so we got that off, this off. We got these unplugged. And looks like these right here gotta come off. I don't know if my seat's in the way. Let me scoot it back. All right, let's see. Yep. Oh, missed a screw right there. Look at that. All right, got it off. You know, and I'm not gonna be doing hella in-depth stuff just because there's dope ass videos about this already. So, you know, I'm just trying to give you guys some content of how I'm doing it. All right, so this is where we're at right now. Popped off the vents. Pretty much just pull them out. I just unplugged this so I could twist it. And I'm gonna undo these screws now and get this unit out. All right, so this is where we're at. You gotta take this whole shit apart. It's not so bad, but it's a lot of shit to it. I got the unit right here. There's a part that's gonna go bye-bye. So I believe we're supposed to use, what the hell? Oh, it's over there. I have to use these brackets right here. I think we gotta take this off and put them right here. So let me look into that a little bit. All right, so I got this all section put together. Got the stereo screwed in. I got the harness plugged in. Everything is labeled, you know, everything is right there. Damn, my hands are hella dirty. So everything is plug and play. The only other thing I really got to worry about is the camera after, but I'm gonna plug this in to make sure it all works first. All right, so we got power. Let's see how, what the hell's the Bluetooth? Gotta find the Bluetooth. Let me mess with it, let me connect to it, and let me see how it sounds. All right, so we got power to it, we got sound. I'll play a sound clip at the end, but everything is plugged in. Now the deciding factor whether I want to plug in the damn camera or not. So, I mean, I should because I'm here, but I don't know, I'll see right now. All right, guys, so I'm almost there. Got the camera part in. Got it wired up right here to my reverse. Got this plugged in. I already got it ran all through there. I used some wire, some baling wire to fish it through. Got it out through there. You know, I already have it. I mean, obviously still got to clean all this up, but I just want to make sure it works. But check it out. It's obviously pointing at the ceiling. It's all working. So there you go. I'm gonna clean everything up, start putting everything back together, and that's it. All right, so I already got it all zip tied, well, tight. Cut all the like zip ties, the tips. I'm already putting the trim panel back on. Got this one all put together. About to put this one. See, I already cut them all, ran them nice. Got them all done right here into there. Got that tucked away in there. Disconnected. That is on. Just gotta bam. Okay. And then just put this back together. Well, actually, the main piece, the stereo, and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, so the install's done. Little last piece. Bam. Let's see. Reverse. There you go. Now all I gotta do is mess with the settings. But it's all done. Let's see how it sounds. Way better. That sounds hella better before. And that's not even all the way up. She got some love today. Alright, fellas, so this is the end of the video pretty much. We successfully installed the stereo and the rear view camera. Try to do it as clean of a job as I could. You know, this ain't my shit. You know, the stereo installation, all that stuff. I sometimes could figure it out, but it ain't my shit. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Hope it helps some people. Maybe I'll record my girl's reaction because she don't know I did it. I just brought the car today and I put, like I said, we did the tires and the alignment and shit, but she don't know I'm doing this. So hopefully she's excited about it. I'm going to the house real quick, but I'm not even off work yet, so I'll show her tonight. But I'll catch y'all either tonight when I show the reaction, or I'll catch y'all in the next video. All right, guys, so I didn't get to record her reaction video to the stereo yesterday, but so we had said this thing. She got me, was it for our anniversary? So we got each other like gifts for our anniversary. And like me joking, I told her that I wasn't gonna install her stereo until my gift came in. And I installed her stereo yesterday without knowing my gift had came in, and I show up today and my gift's here. So it's so funny because it worked out. But this shit looks clean. She got me a carbon hood for the hatch, so I gotta do the 99 2000 conversion now and throw this on. So Vinny, I need you to clear it. But how'd you like it? How'd you like the stereo?
Oh, I love it.
Why you keep getting close to me?
Because I didn't want to be the video.
Trying to walk away from you.
Mom. No, I
really... Wait. There you go.
What?
It was blurry.
Oh. No, I really like the stereo, but now we gotta put the speakers on.
Yeah. But it's hella louder than what it was.
Hell yeah. Yeah, it is.
But you can tell when you go too high, it sounds like a little like staticky or something.
Oh, because of the speakers?
Yeah. So.
Now I don't gotta worry about going through like the hills and hearing like the noise.
Yeah, because she had one of those things that you plug into like the cigarette lighter and you got to put it on a station and then connect the Bluetooth thing to it. And when she'd be driving like over here, out of nowhere, you went from her music to like some country music or something. Which she likes, though.
You like that.
But
You laugh because you can't deny it.
I like country music, so what? The hell? No, es porque no es pinche Bad Bunny.
I didn't even like Bad Bunny.
No, tú.
I don't.
Or fucking the little annoying squeaky voice thing. But, alright, so now I'm going to end the video. I got my hood. She got her stereo.
Maybe he'll get me a carbon fiber hood for my birthday. My birthday's just around the corner.
She wants to go to Disneyland. The fuck is either that or the hood?
Fuck you.
I got her on that one. Alright, I'm going to end the video before she keeps talking. Catch you on the next one.